Understanding Cable Assembly, English Language Learning. Hello, and welcome to our English Language Learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cable assembly. This is a technical term often used in electronics and manufacturing, but it's also a great example of how two common English words can come together to form a specific meaning. Let's dive in and demystify this phrase. Cable assembly is a compound noun, which means it's made up of two words that combine to create a new meaning. Let's look at each word separately. Cable. A cable is a thick, strong rope made of wires or fibers. In electronics, it refers to a cord used to transmit electricity or signals. Assembly. Assembly generally means putting things together. It can refer to a group of people gathered for a purpose, or the process of constructing something. When we combine these words, we get a term that refers to a group of cables or wires, put together in a specific way for a particular use. To understand cable assembly better, let's look at some examples. 1. Computer cables. Inside your computer, there are many cables assembled together to connect different parts like the motherboard, hard drive, and power supply. 2. Industrial machinery. Large machines often have complex cable assemblies to control and power different parts. 3. Consumer electronics. Things like your smartphone charger or headphone cables are simpler forms of cable assemblies. Understanding these examples helps in visualizing what a cable assembly looks like and its various applications. Now, let's see how to use cable assembly in a sentence. The technician checked the cable assembly to ensure all connections were secure. Manufacturing a cable assembly requires precise knowledge of electrical systems. Using the term in different contexts can help solidify your understanding of it. I hope this explanation helps you understand what a cable assembly is and how you can use this term in your everyday English. It's a great example of how specific terms are formed in the English language and their practical applications. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find English is full of interesting phrases like this one. Happy learning!